When heaven touches the earth, chains break, peace comes, hearts are healed. So don't hold back your worship tonight. Lift your voice, lift your heart. Jesus is here. We welcome you, Lord. Have your way in this place. We worship you, Jesus. In the silence of this moment, I can feel your spirit move. Every wall begins to crumble as our eyes return to you. There is healing in your presence. There is freedom in your name. Every heart that comes before you will never stay the same. All the heavens sing your glory, and the earth responds in praise. Stay here with us. Stay here with us. Jesus, we don't want to leave your presence tonight. Stay here with us. Stay here with us. Every heart is crying out for more of your light. Every burden now feels lighter as your peace falls like the rain. All anxiety is breaking as we call upon your name. You are closer than our breathing. You are moving all around, and the sound of heaven rising is the sweetest holy sound. There is no one else worthy. There is no one else like you. Stay here with us. Stay here with us. Jesus, we don't want to leave your presence tonight. Stay here with us. Stay here with us. Every heart is crying out for more of your light. Holy Spirit, fall upon us. Holy Spirit, move within us. Every soul surrendered fully. We belong to you alone. Let your fire burn inside us.